Okay, now can I get a witness? This man has got the spirit.
Swear to God, I thought he was going to start speaking in tongues.
No, wait. What about Pop on the positivity?
I was going to do a cartwheel, but didn't want to steal the limelight.
I think Sharp just made a joke. It's more of a J for a jazz, but still it's progress. Can we go to the party?
Negativo, baby.
Hey, please. When are you guys going to get over yourselves? Nobody, I repeat, nobody is trying to kill us.
Get out of this man, right now!
It's not working. It's not working. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I can't get out. I'm stuck.
Get out!
Okay, maybe somebody is trying to kill us.
How did they, find us?